Tonight, California lawmakers call it a big breakthrough for the earthquake early warning system. For the first time, the president's new budget proposal includes $5 million for this project. Officials say a warning of just a few seconds can save lives and limit damage in an earthquake.
Well, if we don't get this done, the next time there's a big earthquake, people aren't going to get any advance notice of it. It may mean that they can't stop the train they're driving, the surgery that they're in, can't get to a safe place. It could be catastrophic.
Now, the funding helps, but California lawmakers are asking for an additional $16 million to fully develop the system.